There's one thing you should never do when water enters your car.
Okay.
First of all, let me tell you how to drive through flood without water entering your car. When you approach flood water, don't be overzealous and rush in. Calm down.
My problem is that
Allow other cars pass so you can observe the depth of the water. If the water is above your exhaust when your car is not jagbawa, respect yourself and your car and abort mission.
Okay. You know they had me slap person.
If the water is not higher than your exhaust, you can drive gingerly and quietly. Because don't speed though. Because if you speed and water splash into your engine, I don't need to tell you, you know. Could have been late. You have entered water that is bigger than your car. Let's continue. Give yourself maximum respect and turn off that engine, fold your trouser, come out of the car and push that car out of there. Whatever you do, don't start that car. Because if you do, you never know. Your next engine might be here. You know now.
Apologize. I'm continue.